They've survived a terrifying ordeal at sea, an incident in which they say hundreds of people drowned. These refugees all tell the same story of how they'd set sail from Libya hoping to reach Italy. They were among almost 200 on a people trafficker's boat which had engine failure. When they were forced onto a second boat carrying about 300 others, it capsized.
The people, they don't go one by one. They go like 25, like 30, like they go hurry. Then the ship, people go there, they lost balance. The people go one side. Then ship goes like this.
We see 500 people, they are died in front of us. You can see our voice. Help me, help me, help me. And we can do anything because I am in danger. I am in sea.
A group of 41 survivors brought to Kalamata in southern Greece on Sunday have been fingerprinted and given papers allowing them to stay in Greece for 6 months. The dozens of refugees who've been in this police station have now been told they're free to go and can stay in the country at least for 6 months. But understandably, many of them are still bewildered. One told us how he'd swum to safety but lost his wife, baby and brother-in-law.
My wife and my child is gone, and my family, almost 3 people in that boat, all is died. Now still we didn't see nothing. They keep us here.
Some of these survivors have been able to tell their families back home that they're alive. None of them know exactly where they'll end up or for how long, but it's clear they've been through a terrifying experience. Tvga al Jazeera, Kalamata.